Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to see how to fix the first descendant crashing problem. Let's fix it guys. The solution consists of 5 steps. First step, if you have overclocking your CPU, then you just need to try resetting BIOS and make all settings default. And downgrading the CPU is the best option. Because I found out that this game will literally utilize 100% of your CPU, and if your system doesn't have the best cooling solution, it will crash guys. So you need to downgrade your CPU. The second step is to turn off frame generation and disable ray tracing and change the graphics ultra to high settings. This step worked for more people on Reddit. The third step is to add launch option. To do this, you just need to open up Steam, right click on the first descendant and select properties. Now you just need to check my video description for this launch option used in my video. Just to copy and paste it under the launch options and just to close stuff here. The fourth step, you just need to go to search menu and type graphics settings. Click on open it. Select browse. We just need to go to this PC, local disk C, program files x86, find a Steam folder, find a Steam apps folder, find a common folder, the first descendant folder, select the first descendant.exe application and select add. After adding the game, select options and select high performance and select save, and after that just close stuff here. The fifth step is to update a graphics card. To do this, for NVIDIA users, open the GeForce Experience. If you not have GeForce Experience, then you just need to check my video description for the download link. For AMD users, you just need to open the AMD software. Select the drivers tab and select check for updates. If you have any available update listed over here, then you just need to update it and make your graphics card up to date guys. After that, just to close stuff here. And now you can launch the game and check if the problem solved or not. I hope this solution fixed your problem. If the video helped you, don't forget to leave a like guys. You can also subscribe me and support me guys. Thank you.